Hi everyone, this is Neha, this is Mamta, and this is Raghu. So, if you have seen our last series for 15 days, we three of us have been practicing. It's a nice and happy feeling that we could complete 15 days of series practicing every day without fail, even without taking a single break. So, I just wanted to, like have a experience shared. How was it practicing with me, also by themselves for 15 days continuously? Mamta, how was it?
It was fun.
Yes, of course it was fun. So when you started your first day, we actually did not plan a lot about it. We just thought, okay, let us do a series together as we were practicing together for ourselves. And suddenly, I don't know how the plan just came. It was not as planned at all. Let's just start doing something, and we just came up with an amazing series. I guess I am satisfied. So
I am satisfied too. I never imagined that I would be on YouTube doing a series.
but you've been practicing for quite some time. She's good, she's been flexible, and we were practicing together. And I was like, why not try together? Apparently, she was able to manage the intensity of the classes so well. Our Raghu would
Not the
give.
same with me actually. It was really hard for me because I started my journey 15 days back itself with Neha. So it was really hard. I mean, going forward, 15 day was okay. I think. I'm sure you guys should tell after seeing the.
Please see the day 1 and day
And day
15.
15.
You can see a clear result how Raghu has struggled in
Yes,
between
yes,
to
yes.
manage the postures.
Seriously, it was hard.
But you did a good job.
Thank you. Thank
Even
you.
though you would say like I am tired, but end of the day he would somehow pull it and he will complete it. There are few sessions which we did without even single break. We did continuously. I think that comes with the practice, right?
Yes.
You
Like,
have an experience
yeah,
already
yeah.
now.
Initially, like 5, 10 minutes also, I used to get tired with Surya Namaskara, everything. Now, continuously, I can manage to do 10 Surya Namaskara along with the asanas. So, everybody should practice on a daily basis for at least half an hour. 10, 15 minutes, whenever you get a break or a time, you can actually practice and you can really take it forward.
I must say, if Raghu can do it,
Yes.
anybody
Anybody
can
in the
do
world
it.
can do it.
It was not very easy to work with Raghu at times because he's a very happening guy. His mind is like super active all the time. So, for us to get him to that calm zone was a bit challenging, isn't it, Mamta?
Yes.
You're gonna close your eyes, have a gentle smile on your face. So, you should take it little mentally here, ನೋಡಿ 5 minutes ಹೋಯ್ತು.
ಹೌದೌದು 5 minutes
ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಆ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ what once
Yeah,
again
it might be like a monkey's brain. So
we had a live example with us like yeah, it was a lot of fun working and practicing with these guys and yes, I wanted to say this, we are all wearing blue. It is a pure coincidence. Nothing planned. In fact, actually we were planning the last day we should wear something similar, should have some color code. See, what I feel, if you really wish for something, you will get it. So we are in, here the practice place and we see everybody's wearing blue and I was like, wow, as if we've decided about it. And it was nice. So that's it, guys. Do you want to say something?
Thanks to Neha for improving my flexibility
It was all your effort and I was happy to be a part of your yoga journey too.
and the postures. I think I corrected most of my postures, alignments. So I'm really happy about it. Thank you.
That's what is more important, right? In the end, when you feel the satisfaction like okay, I have done the practice, what happens generally when you start, you'll be like, oh my god, Surya Namaskara asana, it's going to be tough, my body is going to cry. So when you practice, in the end, after Shavasana, the kind of a peace in your mind and the relaxation, you feel like yeah, it was all worth it, isn't it?
yeah, thank you so much, Neha. Thank you for taking us to the journey of yoga. I'm sure with the next series I'll be more controlled and much better in action. I think so. Let's see.
And I really hope I don't have to break my head too much behind him and he'll practice accordingly. So I think it's gotten so much better from the day 1 to day 15, a huge difference, because I remember day 1 I really struggled, but then day 15 were just like seamless. We could just like practice in a flow. this is all about consistency. So we could manage it and we pulled it well. And you also practice and share your feedback. How did you enjoy your journey? And yes, we'll again see you soon in next series. Till then, keep practicing and show us a lot of love by liking the video and dropping your comments. And you can also follow us on Instagram with the name of Yoga for Cure. And of course, you can see these two people also where I keep tagging them. So yes, thank you so much and see you again.